Senator Ekwunife and Peter Obi, matters arising. During the impeachment of former President Trump in 2019, two Democratic congressmen, Reps Colin Peterson from Minnesota and Jeff Van Drew from New Jersey, voted against his impeachment. The two congressmen represented districts which were won by Trump in 2016. They knew that in the event they vote for the impeachment of Trump, their re-election will be in jeopardy. Compare the above scenario with the case of the senator representing not only Anambra Central District in the Senate, but also the constituency of a frontline presidential aspirant in the person of Mr. Peter Gregory Onwabose Obi, CON. Prior to the emergence of Chief Victor Ome as the candidate of the Labour Party for Anambra Central District, I had on many occasions predicted a landslide victory for Anyanwunri, as she is called. The emergence of Nwoke Nnukwu Opu Red not only altered my predictions but reduced her chances to about 50% or less. To add salt to the injury, her recent uncomplimentary remarks against the person of His Excellency Peter Obi, which is not her first, has portrayed her as one who is not keen on winning re-election.
Distinguished Senator Ekwunife, please.
If you're a woman, can you raise your hand up? Can you say Atiku Abubakar? Can you say Atiku Okowa? Your Excellency, the governor of Akwaibom State, other governors present, let me go straight to our own candidate, the former Vice President of Nigeria and the incoming President of Federal Republic of Nigeria, Atiku Abubakar. Let me recognize the incoming Vice President of Nigeria, His Excellency Ifeanyi Okowa Ekwueme, Nigeria. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I want to say that Nigeria is a big and complex country. For you to be a president of this country, you must be someone that understands the economy of this great nation, someone that understands all sectors of Nigeria, someone that understands the diversity, someone that understands the complications, someone that truly knows what this country is all about. Today, we are trying to make a choice. We are trying to make a choice of someone that can take this country to prosperity, someone that can take us from being a consumption country to a production country, someone that will address all the issues we have, from security to economy to education to infrastructure to women empowerment to youth empowerment, everything. And I believe we have the total package in Atiku Okowa presidential tickets. Nigerians, we don't want a kindergarten president. We want a strong president. We want a president that can address the issues. I want to tell you something. If somebody comes to sell himself as a candidate, tell that person to tell us solution. People should stop telling us the problems that we already know. We know we have problems in Nigeria. How to address this country. Therefore, we need a president that will come with solution. And I believe that Atiku has the solution to Nigeria problems. PDP. Ebe kaige binyaka. Ebe selamburela. Ebe kaige binyaka. Ebe se
Nwanyinnri, who has been involved in the politics of Anambra State for over 15 years, should have learnt by now to avoid some battles which may consume her. Her focus should have been on her re-election, outlining her achievements, and convincing the electorate why her mandate should be renewed and not following her presidential candidate around like a fly, considering the fact that she hails from the same district with a leading and frontline presidential candidate. She should have herself to blame when she loses to Nwoke Nnukwu Okpured come February next year. Now, still on matters which may affect senatorial seats votes in Anambra Central, Honorable Emeka Odiono writes, Ene Victor Chigozie, your damage control will not work. Senator Ekwunife attacked Peter Obi at Uyo during the flag-off of the PDP's presidential campaign. Said that Nigeria doesn't need a kindergarten president and someone who talks about the problem without providing the solution. Those who are trying to twist her statement at Uyo to convince us that she was not referring to Obi should follow me and now get the contextual analysis of her speech. As Senator Ekwunife was introduced to the stage to speak, she started with the slogan of her party, PDP power, PDP power. She then asked those who were women at the rally to raise their hands up and say, Atiku Abubakar. Thereafter, she observed the protocol by greeting the host governor, Emmanuel Udom, and other governors present and addressed Atiku and Governor Okowa as the incoming president and vice president, respectively. She went straight to the reasons Nigerians should vote Atiku and PDP by saying that for anyone to be president of Nigeria, the person must be someone who understands the complexity of Nigeria, all the sectors of the government, understands the economy, addresses the issue, addresses the security challenge, and describe Atiku as someone who can pull us from consumption to production. Still within the contextual analysis, Senator Uche Ekwunife said that Nigeria doesn't want a kindergarten president, but a president who will address the issue. She admonished Nigerians not to listen to any presidential candidate who comes to campaign telling them the problem which we already know, but the solution. Now tell me if she was not referring to Obi. Is it Bola Ahmed Tinubu of APC that she was referring as the kindergarten president? Tell me who goes consulting and campaigning telling Nigerians the problems of Nigerians. No one else but Obi. But the truth she hid at Uyo was to deceive Nigerians in the name of politics that Obi only talks about the problem without the solution. It's a fact that Obi does not only tell Nigerians the problem of Nigeria, but he addresses the solution which the youths believed and passionately follow him. Let her keep engaging people on social media that she wasn't referring to Obi. She can go to national television too or CNN. We are not gullible. She's hit herself on the leg and it is finished.